I swear sometimes I think that my husband collects hose reels, and a lot of times they will be strung out all over the yard and it drives me crazy, especially when I need to go out and mow the grass. So when VEVOR offered to send over this hose reel cart in exchange for this video, I was super excited because this one holds a lot, up to 300 feet of hose, so everything finally can stay in one place instead of stretched out all over the yard. I really love how easy it is to roll around. Even when it's fully loaded, I can still move it. The wheels can handle grass and gravel way better than we even expected, and it doesn't feel tippy or awkward to move either. The build feels really solid too. It's made with steel and brass fittings, so it's not one of those flimsy carts that rust after just one season. You can use it for watering, washing the car, and even rinsing stuff off outside. The rewind is really smooth, which is a small thing but makes a big difference when you're tired and just want to be done for the day. Overall, it was really easy to put together, and it's one of those practical things you don't think you need until you have it, and then you wonder why you waited so long. We love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.